Chiefy. Chiefy, look. Chiefy, look. Find coffee. Go find coffee. Triton, find coffee. Find coffee. I may have had coffee there the other day. But there's no coffee there now. Go on, go find. Go there. No, not shoe. We're not doing shoes. Coffee. No, we're doing Don't take the insult. Don't take the shoe apart. No, coffee. No. Chiefy knows what she's doing. Chiefy, let's find coffee. Where'd you go, girl? Experience versus youth. She's like, we were doing shoes the other day. Chiefy, yes. Triton, yes. The coffee is... Hold on. I'll give you the treat in a minute. Coffee is right there. Very good.